The AT light on your Mazda's dashboard indicates a problem with the automatic transmission system. It's a warning signal, not always an emergency, but requires prompt attention to prevent costly repairs. This light typically appears as a yellow or amber AT indicator and suggests the vehicle's computer has detected an anomaly. Common causes include low or contaminated transmission fluid, faulty sensors such as speed, temperature, or pressure sensors, electrical glitches, mechanical wear, or ECU software bugs. Ignoring this warning can lead to drivability issues like rough shifting, gear slippage, reduced power, or even complete transmission failure. Diagnose the issue by using an OBD2 tool to scan for trouble codes and checking the transmission fluid level. When the AT light illuminates, avoid DIY fixes as improper handling can worsen the issue. Instead, schedule a diagnostic appointment with a certified mechanic. Keep in mind that 70% of AT light issues are due to sensor failures. Regular transmission fluid changes every 30,000 to 60,000 miles, and avoiding harsh driving can extend transmission life. Check Mazda's website for recalls and consider software updates offered by dealerships. Some dealerships offer free diagnostics and warranty extensions to 10 years for certain components. In the future, trends like electric powertrains and AI-driven predictive maintenance aim to reduce AT issues. But for current Mazda owners, addressing the AT light promptly and maintaining the transmission system is key.